Okay. Howdy! Today we'll be learning about biotic and abiotic factors in an ecosystem. As you may know, an ecosystem is made of many different things working together to be sustainable. So we have the sun.
Like out, so we don't do it.
The sun is blue. Yeah. Oh yeah. So, and then we have the soil going on over here, and then we have our little flower. And just draw a little flower. It's a really tall flower, but it's okay. And then we have the rain that is boom, 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 boom. Okay, so we have the sun that's giving sunlight, and the clouds that rain on the wet soil. The non-living factors of an ecosystem are called abiotic factors, like the sun, the rain, the soil, but the living things, like the plant growing, are called the biotic factors.
Howdy! To continue with biotic factors, our formal definition of biotic factors is all things that are living or once living in an ecosystem. This encompasses all producers, consumers, and decomposers. So, producers, consumers, and decomposers. And these are all biotic factors. They could be as big as a blue whale or as small as a single-celled organism. As per the definition of biotic, these factors also include things that were once living, meaning dead organisms and waste are biotic factors.
Howdy! The opposite of biotic factors are abiotic factors. Our formal definition for abiotic factors is all living things that are non-living, chemical, or physical parts of an ecosystem. Abiotic factors of an ecosystem have never been alive, and will never become alive. This means that everything in an ecosystem is not considered biotic or abiotic. So for example, think rocks, there's also sand, sun, oxygen, and other minerals.
So now we're going to draw a Venn diagram comparing the two, abiotic and biotic. So we have this circle. This will be our biotic. We have this circle is our abiotic. Okay. So biotic components are, so we have living components of an ecosystem, and organic matter, decomposers, and decomposed matter. And for abiotic, its components are non-living, components of an ecosystem. And then we have chemical factors and physical factors. So, and then in the middle, some things that it has in common are they create ecosystems as they work together.
Now that we know everything about biotic and abiotic factors, let's see if we could organize some examples. Let's draw a T-chart. Okay, so let's look at our word bank. So if sand was never living, that means it is an abiotic factor. And flowers, as we know, are living because they are plants. A rock is an abiotic factor because it is non-living. Fish are biotic because they are living beings. Water is abiotic because it is not living and it is a physical characteristic of the ocean. And this one might be hard, a seashell. Seashells are biotic because they were once living organisms. And that is our T-chart.
Now we know the difference between biotic, aka living, and abiotic, non-living factors in an ecosystem. Do you think you're ready to tell me the difference on your own? Let me see what you know.